Hello, I am Ashwin Gajara, Managing Director at Ashwani Metals Private Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We are showcasing our product here, made out of brass for the missiles proximity switches, and we are showcasing various products in aluminium, which is called the pump shell, and various products made out of the stainless steel also for the missile. Ashwani Group is a 65-year-old group based in Gujarat. We are based in Jamnagar. We are having around 14,000 SKUs developed for various segments and all make in India. We have around 500 machines. We process around 6,000 tons of the brass material every year, and our product goes to US, Europe, and many other defense company based in various part of the India.